a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Elkhart County, Indiana, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Delap to near Wakarusa, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Napanee, Dunlap, Wakarusa, Millersburg, New Paris, Benton, Locke, Southwest, Foraker, and Waterford Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Elkhart, Indiana,